So this clubroom is gonna be dark and moody. The brick on the floor in the sunroom is gonna really warm up what would otherwise be a very airy and wide open room. Corrine told me people would take the deed to the house after it was paid off and they would stick it in the newel post. So I did some research and I found the original deed to this farm and I just thought it would be fun to stick the original deed back into the newel post.
So it's something like that, huh?
Today is crunch day.
I feel like I've been working on this house for 50 weeks. Maybe 54, maybe 52. I don't know. It feels like it's been forever, but there was something about like the copper pans going up. I kind of feel like we're done. It's coming together like I was hoping.
You got more pots?
Let me go get more pots.
That's how it feels.
We are so excited. We're not done, but we're almost there.
At Michael and Corine's, it just felt like all these rooms were just disconnected from each other. They had no identity. And now they're just all combined together to make it one nice, warm hub.
I'm excited and nervous and anxious, and I'm a little emotional, actually.
Well, you know, it's okay. It's like a new beginning for you. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, my God. Look at the awnings.
Looks like a new
Look at the
house.
awnings. It looks like a country club.
Wow, beautiful.
Oh, my gosh. That's I'm going to get a
incredible.
little...
Hello.
Hi, guys.
Welcome home.
This
Good,
is
good.
amazing.
Yes.
It's
Yeah.
like a new house. The place is so much cleaner. The paint is beautiful.
I love my awnings.
You love your awning?
Yeah. Perfect green and white stripes. It looks like an old world country club. It just gives enough pop, kind of like a black dress with red shoes.
I love it. I love it. No. One thing I've been waiting, how do you feel about the
How
awnings?
do I feel about the... Well, you know, I wasn't in favor of the awnings, only because I was concerned about the wind, but beautiful. It adds such a pop. They look great.
You know what? I actually almost forgot what it looked like before.
There was these bushes that were growing in there that just blocked the entire house.
Right.
You had those picture windows, so now we got these really nice ones that match. You had stuff growing in the gutter, which is now gone. And just painting the front doors has made such a big difference.
The place looks like it's been transformed.
Woo! Love it!
That's
Now that's the excitement I like to see. Are you ready to go inside?
We're ready.
All right, let's
No, I
go.
don't think I'm ready to go.
Are you
No.
ready?
Come on, Michael, let's go.
Come on. Oh my God!
Whoa.
Oh wow! Oh wow!
This is amazing.
Oh wow!
Not the same house.
Oh my God!
Oh, come on. Holy crap, Scott, you gotta see this. Take that flashlight and look down there.
Wait, what?
Stick your head down there and look down in there.
Oh,
There's a freaking well in the basement. That is crazy. Kristina! There's a well in the basement.
Wait.
Yeah, you gotta
It's an old
see
dug
this.
well.
This well is right under the first addition, right behind the original house. It's just cool that that piece of history, it's still standing. Unfortunately, the foundation around it is not standing as well. It's a sad fact, and I hate to think like of tearing down an old structure, but I just think it's not safe. This thing could be caving in the next 10 years and just be a mess. Fortunately, the main part of the house is staying. Unfortunately, the additions, they gotta go. It's always a shame when you have to take down an old house, but it's really necessary because if we don't get this foundation right, it's just gonna give them problems down the line. There goes another beam for Kristina.
You guys want to save more of these?
As many as possible. This was the old part of the house. And as you can see, the oldest part of the house is still standing. This is the part that had the amazing granite foundation. The back part of the house, we got a long way to go. We got to put back a kitchen, a bathroom, a laundry room, a mud room, and a dining room. I have a plan to turn this shed into a chicken coop, but this is not gonna be just any coop. We're gonna clean it up. We're gonna take some of the old barn wood for the walls and add a few extras that even my chicken would be jealous of. This side will be the chicken coop. This side we'll do like a cute little potting shed. Wallpaper.
That's a color that Lisa likes. We just didn't actually put it in the farmhouse.
So this is perfect.
She
then.
loves that color.
She'll get her blue, green, and her potting shed.
Yeah. So seeing chicken wallpaper up in the chicken coop, at first I was like, can I get behind this? But now that I saw the vision and the explanation and his excitement, I'm totally on board.
Look at this one though, it still even has cow hair on it.
This looks awesome. I think the blue looks so good with the white oak. That's a very bold color to do a kitchen. A lot of times you do have to take that risk, or you're just gonna have a house that's just like everybody else's house.
I love that this opening is bookended by reclaimed posts, because those came out of the barn as well, right?
Yeah.
This is great. And the ceiling, so
Yeah, I like it the way it is. It's cool.
they are going to have their socks knocked off.
The first time we saw the beams, everything just kind of looked ratty and gross. So I'm glad that we were able to get in there and clean it up. By leaving that space raw, it just gives it some character. This house has been through so much. It's been torn down, the whole back half opened up, creating a $70,000 overage. It's been built back up, fixed, updated, and put back together for a total cost of $200,000.
Oh my God!
Unbelievable.
Wow!
Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm really nervous right now.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, come and see this. Oh my God.
Different.
Wow. Oh.
This feels completely inviting, open, spacious, bright, way
I'm
different.
blown away, really, I am blown away. Look at this.
Wow, look at the ceiling.
We enlarged the opening, give it some more space.
And this guy came from the barn out back that came down.
That's a beauty.
So cool. Oh my, no, sir! No way! Are you kidding me? Look at this!
What is
Holy! Wow, look at, check this out!
This is so
This
cool.
is so cool.
Nice job.
No, you didn't.
We have 111 inches of length of one big piece of stone, and we're not sure if we can get it upstairs. So we're making a mock-up. We're gonna tape it together, and we're gonna try and get it up the stairs.
Let's pretend it's real granite. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh,
I
it's
think
so
I
heavy.
just busted a spleen.
Oh my gosh.
Pivot. Pivot, come on. Okay, now you gotta pivot over this way. Ready? Pivot.
Oh.
Pivot, don't break it.
Jeez.
Okay, pivot more. Keep pushing. Keep coming.
Okay, if this is 600 pounds, this isn't gonna happen.
Yeah, I feel bad for the guys that have to carry this thing up the stairs. That's, right now, is my only concern.
Yeah, they're gonna hate us. Oh, yeah. This I don't know if they, the people who have carried it, will feel that it's worth it, but she'll see that unified backsplash and she wants it to look not fancier, but just like classier, and it will, oh, it's gonna be so good.
So we're gonna start with the much more manageable counters in the kitchen. Then we could put Katrina's original farmhouse apron sink back in. But that's the easy part of countertop day. That piece of stone weighs hundreds of pounds, and these guys are just muscling it up those stairs, twisting and turning. I was like, there's no way. But they did it, and it's gonna make this bathroom that much more luxurious for Katrina.
Okay, here we go. Excited, nervous, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hi! Welcome home! I'm still processing. Is this my house? Oh my gosh. It's amazing. It's beautiful. I honestly was not expecting that. Everything looks so clean and white and beautiful and blue. I love the stairs. How happy. Wow. Oh, wow. It's amazing, the wallpaper.
We wanted to define the room, so adding the wallpaper grounded this space and connected it to the kitchen.
Absolutely. Well, I was nervous about wallpaper because when I moved in, every inch of this house was wallpapered. But this is beautiful.
What do you think of the kitchen? Go take a look.
Amazing. Oh. This is awesome, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. Look at this stove and the hood. Oh, wow. And look at all this counter space. It's gonna be amazing to do my cupcakes. It's the perfect height. It's so beautiful. Thank you guys. This is amazing.
This kitchen just kind of felt like a galley kitchen.
Yeah.
So we took down the wall. The floor was tile. We gave you a brand new wood flooring. Well, I also love that we were able to save your sink and reincorporate it back into the space. I think it fits perfectly, and they don't make these like they used to.
I love it. I was not expecting this. Wow. It is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, I don't want to cry. This looks like a little cafe bakery. The oven. Wow. Oh my gosh. I can't even. Wow, I love the floor. Oh my gosh, the tub's amazing. I love everything. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm so excited. This is my dream tub.
Oh, gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh. I can't believe we fit a soaking tub in this space in an old house.
Yes, and a walk-in shower.